Hey there, Catherine here. So today we are renting a car. We've been going back and forth of whether or not we wanted to rent one, and we decided that we in fact do, so we rented a car. We just requested an Uber, so we'll be taking the Uber to the airport and then picking up the car. Once we pick up the rental car, the goal is to go see a movie, find something to eat on the other part of town, and then head back here. So here we go. It's hot. Okay, so we're in the car. We are about to make a turn into
Waikola Beach.
Waikola. Stefan is better at this pronunciation than me. I've been really butchering some of these names of the cities and restaurants and just everything all together. But we're going here so that we can go see a movie. Hopefully we're gonna go see one of the Marvel movies, but we'll see what they have playing. So yeah. So it is the next day. We are headed to the car because we are going to drive out to Magic Sands Beach. This is our first beach encounter since we've been here, so I think we're both super excited, and it's extra special because today is our anniversary. So here we go. Going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We are back from the beach. We just took a shower. I did my best to wash the sand out of my hair and all over my body. It was literally sand in every crack and crevice. But we are going to go get something to eat, and then we've got a lot of laundry to do. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll probably just chill, have lunch, and go to our dinner reservation this evening. So here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna put your hot sauce on it. What's your verdict about this brunch? Good? Hey there, so it's later in the day. We are on our way to celebrate our anniversary by going to dinner, and we'll continue the celebrations rather for our anniversary by going to dinner. We are going to the same place we went to this morning because we got a sneak peek at their lunch and dinner menu, so that's where we're headed to now. Are you excited about that?
Yep, get some good food. Chill out for a little bit.
Okay.
Hopefully it's not too busy.
We're going to dinner a lot earlier than we normally go to dinner, and that's because by a recommendation of one of the hostesses, she explained that a lot of people like to get their seats so that they're already settled before sunset, so that's what we're doing today. Hey there, so it is the next day. We just left breakfast. We stopped by the ABC store and got us some snacks to take on the flight, because one of the flights, they're not serving any food. We went and vacuumed out the car because there was tons of sand from going to the beach yesterday, and now we're getting gas. So just getting the car up and ready so that we can return it and then head to our flight. We had a really great time here, and we will be doing a travel vlog recap, just sharing with you guys some of our favorite places, some of the things that we enjoyed, so stay tuned for that. And on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you enjoyed this vlog, then please be sure to like, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, then go ahead and subscribe. All right, later.